We've been following the fate of migrants who come here to Libya for over a year now. We've seen a lot of them packed into these trucks, but nothing quite like this. The distress on this woman's face, she has to give her baby. That's not her husband she's handing her baby to, it's just someone else who was jammed inside there. The kid's clearly very upset, and the mother, you'll see in a second, she's just desperate to get him back. When I see these pictures, I ask the question, what is it that would cause a mother? What is she trying to escape that she would put her children, her 2 children, through this hell? And look, more young people coming out of the darkness into the light at this Libyan checkpoint. There were over 50 of them crammed in each of these trucks, and look how exhausted these women are as they sit down. They were stuck in there for 48 hours. Some from Sudan, as we can see from this passport. They were stuck in there for 48 hours without water and without food, and well, this is the end result. This woman is pregnant, in fact, and the journey has almost killed her. And like most of the people on this truck, we don't know what happened to her or to her baby.